This is your channel messages for the 15th of April. I was hearing you saying something does not make sense. So does my love life. Let's go ahead and go into your reading. Gemini. Let's see what's up for you. We have the Hermit coming out first. Okay, so I'm getting maybe something don't make sense because there's a Virgo that has been so-called giving you instructions. And you follow the instructions. You went to the place, you got the item, you're trying to come back into the country with this imported item. You get denied. Can the Virgo set you up? Are you involved with somebody who is related to the Virgo? Because I don't know why you feel like I can trust somebody. Me getting you follow the instructions what the Virgo give you still get. Yeah, cause the Virgo or the Virgo don't know nothing them talking about. The Hermit card. Next up we have the Hangman. Yeah, you hang by the foot, not by the neck. Somebody trick you. The Virgo trick you. Me getting the Virgo tell you to do something and you totally sabotage something. We have the Two of Swords and now you don't know what to do. Me getting you don't know what to do. You don't know where to turn to. Me getting you keep asking, you keep saying to the Virgo, you told me to do this, is you tell me, and me getting still failed because you got sabotage. We have the, yeah, you get sabotage and the Knight of Swords. Maybe the Virgo tell you for wait. The Virgo tell you for delay something. Me getting the delay cause somebody for leave. It was a part of the Virgo's plan. And be sure before you ask somebody for help you with your love life, be sure the person who you ask for help you not in love with you or the subject. Because they must sabotage you because they're in love with you. Or they're in love with the subject that you're trying to get advice on. The Hermit card is clarified by the page of, yeah, me getting something about the Virgo does this for a living. They teach people how to do it. Me getting something about before you meet somebody, before you mingle with somebody, you have to study, like, you have to do homework. You have to study this long book, or you have to study this long page of what the Virgo write down. But I'm just saying, common blood clot sense, Gemini. You have two brains, a man and a woman's brain. Common sense wouldn't tell you that if there's a book that everybody got access to read, why everybody have failed the assignment. You're not the first person to read these instructions or this book what the Virgo said before you approach somebody, before you get into this business, you have to read something. You have to study something first. Maybe it's something like a book you read. I'm getting it's bare notes. Maybe it's notes specifically on somebody. You don't wonder why everybody else have failed. You get the same book, all the information in the book, but why when you apply the information it's not working? Because the information is contradictory. The Hangman is clarified by the Ten of Cups. We have Pisces. Or me getting something about this. Are you supposed to be with somebody? Because me getting the Virgo tell you must do this, you have to do that. The Virgo tell you how to groom somebody. The Two of Swords is, the Two of Swords is clarified by the Sun card. The Knight of Swords is clarified by the Ten of Wands, and the the Nine of Swords is clarified by the Ten of Wands, and the Knight of Swords is clarified by the Ace of Wands. So I'm getting something about rushing to have sex unprotectedly, or for some reason this man keep a force you for run go take STD testing. Me getting is not because him only want to have sex with you unprotectedly. Him want to, without your knowledge, him want make sure there's a slip up. But there can't be a slip up if you have a condom on. And the man, the Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or the Virgo is like, we don't know if you have sex with her unprotectedly. Maybe you're risk catching something. Me getting somebody to force you for go take STD testing. They want to bring it to the doctor. I'm getting something about them want to have unprotected sex with you fast because they want you. I'm getting pregnancy, something about pregnancy, something about this baby. Me getting this Virgo, keep a tell us, me getting a Virgo, me getting a Pisces, me getting like a Virgo is telling you, if you ever meet this person, you know you can push back them age and act like them is a baby, them is a child. Me getting a whole list of people being caught in the same lie, provided by a Virgo. Or the Virgo, me getting somebody, the Virgo is telling you that it's your job to get somebody pregnant. The Virgo is telling you, oh, it's time, it's time. Me feel like Earth is waiting on your baby. Me feel like when you're pregnant and have a baby, something going to start. Me was also getting when you're dead, something going to start. But me getting when you have me getting the whole entire world away. Is a baby the Messiah? Me getting the whole world away from your baby. Maybe the Messiah was supposed to come from a Virgo or a Gemini, because it's very important who impregnate you. But me getting, I don't know, I don't feel like the baby going to come. And I said this already, I'll say it again. Jesus Christ, for God did so love the world, he gave his only begotten Son. And whosoever believeth in him shall not perish or have everlasting life. That is great. I am not God. You will not get my son. And my son will not die for your sins. They will not die for your anger. Them not dead for your pain. Them not dead for your mistakes. We all gonna die. All of your son, your daughter, all of we got blood clot dead. Vanessa, you need to have a kid so you can save the future kids. We all going to die. Kids, adults, animals, we're going dead. All the way. I feel like somebody await upon your baby. The world await upon your baby. Because I feel like your baby is supposed to be something great in life. No, I don't know if them want you for the child. Because after you come, them need to get rid of you. You might dead in childbirth. And take the baby. Because I'm getting something about this baby. But I'm getting ultimately Virgo, Abraham, Virgo, Joseph. I'm getting something about you need this baby from this woman. I'm getting the woman who refused to make somebody have sex with her unprotectedly. We have a Leo. I'm getting a baby going to be a Leo baby. You have a Leo, or maybe there's a Leo that's pregnant with a child now. Leo, you need to be careful. Because I'm getting them to stress you out, or they're going to tell yourself to C-set the baby. They're going to epidural you and C-set the baby. And you know doctors get paid more for C-sections, right? You know that, right? It's not only, I mean, yes, it can save the elasticity of your pussy, but when doctors perform C-section, them get paid more. Good doctors don't perform C-sections until them get clearance for do it, and them say that maybe, okay, the baby is crowning, or it is in the best interest of the baby. Maybe if the umbilical cord is near the baby neck, you don't have a natural birth, you have a C-section. And I don't know, when women go into the doctor's office the day of delivering, I'm pretty sure they're supposed to do an ultrasound on you then and there to see if the baby head is to the vagina or the head is up to your stomach. Because if the baby is being born with the foot first, you have to C-set that. Chances are the umbilical cord around the neck. You know much me hear people say how them have baby and the baby come out hang themselves. Me hear one story about one guy I used to date. Him say him was born a twin. But him say him come out and the second twin never make it. Him hang him twin. That's what him say. I'm not sure if that happened to you. You are a twin. Them claims say you hang your own twin. There's two umbilical cord. Now why would a baby hang themselves in your belly? That's creepy. That's creepy that before your baby even come out, your baby was hanged. Usually, if you're a good doctor, that's how you deliver a baby. Once them come in, we don't really care how much you want, bawl and scream. You put that gel on her belly and you look if the baby head is to the vagina. Then she can either say, risk it, and say, give me a natural birth. If the baby's feet are to the vagina, that's called crowning. You have to C-set that. Don't even, they matter about wait until the baby turn. Wait until which blood clot baby turn. Cut that and take it out. Cut it and take it out. The elites do it all the time. The elites, when the elites have babies, them don't even care if the baby is crowning or not. Them need the baby to come out at a certain time on a certain date in order to get a birth shot. That's how the elites have baby. You think any elite have baby via vaginal canal? When you have baby via vaginal canal, the baby get karma. If you cut, the baby don't get karma. Because you did not scream. Remember the punishment for Eve betraying Adam was child pain. That's how you outsmart God. That is how you outsmart God. God never punished Eve to the long titties. God did not say, Eve, you done Adam and your clit gonna be reversed. That wasn't Eve's punishment. Eve's punishment for Adam was the childbearing pain, right? That's how you outsmart God. You see sick. The baby don't come out with karma. And some people, for occultic purposes, want the baby to come out on a certain date because the baby birth chart will have certain things in it. As a matter of fact, I don't know which dirty, stinking, cocky, witch doctor perform magic on my birth chart. Because the creepiest shit happened. Me used to have 3 crosses on my birth chart. I do my birth chart again on the internet only I give me 1. I'm going to say where the other 2 there. Where the other 2 cross, where the 2 there, I can't find it. I always check my birth chart. I had 3 crosses and 1 grand cross. I had 4 in total. And my dream set when I light the devil card on fire. That's what my dream. I have a dream said the devil card get light on fire. And you see after that, yeah, I check my birth chart again, same website, the 3 got 2 of them gone. And me I say I know 1, I have a 4. I don't know where it gone. That's creepy as fuck. Anyways, let's go. We have the, yeah, me getting healing. Yeah, cutting, I'm gonna cut you. This knife, I'm gonna cut you on the bed. I'm getting Leo. Is this a Leo baby, you're pregnant? I don't really like cutting because sometimes doctors don't stitch you up properly. Or them stitch you up with gauze inside of you. It causes infection. And you have to come back in a ball and then cut you again. And then make our next money again. We have this, them are gonna cut you. I'm getting something I have to do by a cutting. If I get pregnant, them are gonna cut you. That's why I don't want to get pregnant. And because I know me now on simulation, and when I used to work in a pharmacy, one pharmacist said to me, then I say, you know, if you get pregnant, them are gonna cut you. I don't even want to see if that man is psychic. I'll believe you. You tell him and him, Mr. Banks. Mr. Banks, him tell me that. What's up, Miss Martel? I see you, baby. Ayana, what's up? I see you, homie. I see you. What's up, baby? I hope you good, Ayana. I hope you good. Martel, I hope you good, baby. I hope your son's okay, girl. Mr. Banks. I don't even want, and him is a Taurus. And his wife was a Taurus, Mrs. Banks. Hi, Mrs. Banks. I see you, baby. Right? Both of them are Taurus and both of them are pharmacy technician. You think me not going to believe what him say? Marie Terror, I'm still going to take him advice. That's a one. Cut. No, thank you. As a matter of fact, when me get cut, you have to see how my blood stay. When I cut, my blood, it will leak and then it go back in circles to each other. When I younger, like 17, me used to self-mutilate, right? When I younger, I used to self-mutilate. And when I did it, my blood would cut, it would bleed and then all of them turn circles. It was the weirdest shit. You know, like when you put magnet in our blood and it turn a clock, it clots. but it would have clot in a small circles. Would I notice? Right? Yeah, the knife. Me never cut with knife though. When I did do this, when I younger, I never knife me did use. It's razor blade. Razors, you know razor? Razor what barber use. Razors that girls use on the eye, but you know the razor? That me did use. Me use razors. Who the fuck use knife? The little razor will have the little thing in the middle. So the knife though, is somebody a cutter but them use knives? Whoa. Whoa. Fuck. I'm 31 now. That happened. Not when I was 17. It was when I was going to Vauxhall, 14, 15. I never touched myself at Excelsior. And I went to Excelsior High School in the 10th grade. I never touched myself in a 10, 11, 12, none other time. It was when I was 13, 14. I got Vauxhall High School. That's when it started happening to me. One more? Yeah. I'm not sure if you're a cutter. Maybe something, if you used to self-mutilate. I'm getting something about self-mutilation, but something about when your kid, your kid going to come out. I don't know, something going on with the kid where you're going to have. I'm getting you have a, like, you're literally going to have the son. That's a Leo child. You're going to have the son. And I don't know, maybe postpartum depression might hit you. Especially if you have a history of, I know people say after them have kids, them became very, them wanted to hurt themselves. Some people wanted to hurt themselves before. Well, the last time this happened was, it was not Excelsior, no, Vauxhall, 13. That's like, $18 years ago. I look like 18. Well, yeah, I'm getting something haunt you. Or this could be, you're upon bed rest, you can't move, your wounds are not healed, you ooze, you bleed, the doctor, I'm getting you upon bed rest, you can't move, you can't go back at work because of this surgery where you have. The baby, so the baby here, maybe you had a baby and the whole of you rip up. Come here, girls say them have babies and them anal place get ripped. But me getting a Virgo a wait upon the baby. Keep waiting. You did swear to me and God. You did swear to me one by one none. You did swear to me I'll give up my only child. Sweetie, even if the child adopted, but now give it up. Even if the child it come from another woman's vagina. In her rings with China, just to raise with China with a shaved vagina. Even if the child, you tell me I'm gonna adopt a Chinese little boy and you want me to give up my only Chinese son for y'all? We are gonna die. We gonna die all the way dead. We're gonna fly. We're gonna be like baddie, shot clock. The whole of we are gonna dead. Man, I give up no child, no son. But that's like humanity depends on it. It is up to you to have a child to save humanity. It's giving a lot of pressure. I don't know if I want to be a part of this, and I don't know. I just feel like my son's gonna be really pressured into this society, so I just feel like no. Vanessa, it's depending. The earth needs earth. Earth needs your child. Your child's gonna be the Messiah. I get what you're saying, but I was thinking that my child could have been a rapper. Like Xavier. I was thinking Xavier Trudeau. Vanessa, we need you to have a child. You don't understand what's happening. You don't understand. You don't know what your purpose was. Your purpose was to bring forth life. And right as you bring forth life, your life would end. But it wouldn't just end like so sadly. It would be in the name of providing earth with a golden child. I get what you're saying. I just don't want to do this anymore. I don't want to do that anymore. I just don't want to do it. I just don't want to do it. We all gonna die. I'm sorry. You want me to have a child to save your child? No. No, thank you. No, thank you. If you want me to save your child, give me your child. Nah. Yeah. Fuck out of here, ho. We have Secret Society and Mercury. Yeah, that's the discussion. Mercury rules Gemini and it also rules Virgo. Was a Gemini and a Virgo talking about impregnating somebody? Secret Society. They're gonna take your baby. Your baby belongs. You belong to them, and your baby belong to them too. It stops with me. It stop with me. You ain't getting another experiment. And you already been experimenting on orphan kids, so I mean, we have Taurus. Them want the Taurus to have baby. Non. Tu dois. J'ai dit non. Tu dois. Tu dois donner le gouvernement un bébé. J'ai dit non. Je ne veux pas un bébé. Vendre mon bébé, no. We have sleep. We have Aquarius. And we also have Virgo. Yeah, Virgo. I don't know where you have, where you do, where you in. But me getting you run one breeding ground, Virgo. That's you do. You run a breeding ground. The more babies, the better. The more babies and the more money you get. And all of these babies are going to get corrupt and I'm going to go back into the system like a recyclable government experimental figure. We ain't doing that. So you need to brainwash the public to fall in love more. Some can have babies so you can get the babies for use as experiments. But me getting them want the Taurus baby. Them want your baby. Me getting you have very special abilities. Your baby might have the same. I just don't feel like that's like, I just don't feel like that's fair. That you want me to sacrifice my kid for yours. I know. I just feel like humanity has already cursed itself. We still have not talked about the whole pedophilic ring and the whole child pedophilia that's been happening in Hollywood. So why the fuck would I have a child? No. I'm going to leave it here. Until next time.